Need to change your Gmail password? Whether you still remember it or not, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset it step by step. Stick with me till the end, especially if you've forgotten your current password, because I'll show you how to recover it too. First, open the Gmail app or any Google app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Manage your Google account. At the top, swipe through the tabs and tap on Security. Next, scroll down to the section that says How you sign into Google and tap on Password. You'll now be asked to verify it's you. This could be through your device password, Face ID, or entering your current Gmail password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just tap on Try Another Way and follow the on-screen steps to reset it using your phone number, recovery email, or another method you set up. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Once verified, you'll be able to enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, confirm it by typing it again. Once it's saved, Google will confirm the change and your new password is now active. You'll be logged out of other devices and you can log in again using your updated password. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.